Weapons hot. This is PPF, it stands for Paint Protection Film, and the idea is you put it on your car and it protects your, I was going to say paintwork, but you can actually put it on your plastics, on your carbon fibre, on your headlights. There's a slightly different stuff goes on your windscreen, and it stops your car getting damage from stone chips, stuff that comes flying off the road, roadkill. I was recently up at Topaz, which is where I got this from, Topaz Detailing. Thank you for letting me have this. I saw them taking PPF off of cars, that one of which had actually driven into a curb, and there was damage on the canard, on the paintwork, and when they took the PPF off, there was no damage at all. There was actually just a tiny little crease in the paintwork. One of the headlights was completely covered in stone chips. They took the PPF off, no stone chips at all, which then gave me this idea. So I said to Topaz, have you got an offcut of PPF? Because what I'm going to do is stick it on the door of my Honda Civic and then shoot it with a shotgun. And they said yes, we'd be very interested to see the results. Weapons hot. Only joking, I'm obviously not going to shoot the door that's on my Civic. I've got a spare Civic door over here. Now, just over here, I've got the original door of my car, and it's got a great big dent down here because a trailer rolled into it when it was parked in the yard. So the door that's on there is a spare door off another car. The paint doesn't quite match, but it's good enough. So I've got this spare door. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to PPF half of it, then I'm going to shoot it with a shotgun, and then peel the PPF off and see how it's protected it. Yes, I have got pink scissors. I also drive a MX-5 and drink a pig gin. Get over it. Quick talk about the ammunition. This is what I'm going to be using. These are 28 grain 7.5, so they're not quite so punchy, but there's going to be more pellets in there than say like 5s or 3s, and then hopefully you end up getting kind of more spread and more pellets are going to hit the door. It's basically like instant multiple stone chips wrapped in plastic. Right, that is 50 yards. And I'm actually, now I've just thought about it, I'm going to go move the Civic because I don't trust my aiming.
5 minutes later.
Right, let's go and have a look. Right, let's have a look. Oh, it looks pretty peppers. I can see from here. Yeah, I don't think this will be going back on the car. Oh wow. What's happened there? Oh, the pellets have actually gone in behind the PPF. The PPF has trapped the pellets. That's insane. Okay, so this is the side that's obviously taken all the damage. Tiny, tiny little dents, but all the paint has come off. Let's just peel back this little corner bit here. No way. Look at that. So, with a bit of polishing, oh no, look, that's coming off already, look. No way. No way. So that is without PPF. And that, well, you can't even see it now, I've just rubbed the marks off. That's with PPF. That's insane. That's insane. Yeah, look, there's a little mark there, so that's without PPF. Look, a big chunk of paint's come off there. And that, look, I can literally rub that off. No way. That's crazy. The pellets are actually in behind, look. That's a bit of pellet there. The PP, it's actually gone into the in through the PPF and then splayed out. the PPF's actually trapped them on there. So there we go, so 50 yards, shotgun proof. All right, let's go 30 yards. Right, let's go and have a look at damage. Remember, kids, don't try this at home unless you've got a shotgun, a field, and a spare door. Oh, it looks messy. Obviously, the further back you are, the more spread you've got on the shotgun, the closer you get. Not only are the pellets going faster, but also you haven't got so much spread. So this is, without PPF, is literally taking lumps of paint off now. I haven't gone through anywhere. Remember, we're still reusing the same bit of PPF. So normally, obviously, if it looked like that, you'd replace the PPF, but we're just using the same bit of PPF. My days, look, it's all trapped in there. Also, I did, as I'm pulling it back, they're literally, I don't know if you can see that, the bits of pellets are falling out. That's insane. That's insane. So these are the ones that I rubbed off a minute ago, and these are, that's a fresh one, that's a fresh one. That's mental. That's actually made a little bit of a dent there. I don't know what this is. That looks like where it's actually the impact. See, these are the fresh ones. That's the impact of the pellet has actually made like the glue, like splay out. That's crazy. It's like a science lesson. That still comes off. Look at that. There's a bit of paint coming off there. But compared to that, that's crazy. Right, let's try and get some of these bits of shot off and try and stick it back on as best we can. And let's go for like super close, because that is still, I can't believe that. Look at the state of this. I don't know if you can see this from an angle. There's literally dents as well as all the paint coming off. Right, let's go for, let's halve it again. Halve it again. I didn't halve it first time. 50 down to 30 is not half. Let's go to 15, see what that looks like. 13, 14, 15. That's not very far away. Man. Okay, well, let's try that. I've got to say, some of you will probably recognise this field from M3 straw bales in the back skids. Mate, that's looking very second hand. Okay. Right, I've tried to like literally aim right down the middle of the PPF. You can see here, there's literally, that's down to the bare metal now, there's literally just lumps of it coming off. Okay, there's places here where the PPF is actually holding the paint on. You can see like there, that's actually hit, but around it, the paint's actually going to come off. Yeah, that's a bit, that's not looking so good. Yeah, that's actually shocked the paint into coming off. But I'm not being funny, that's from 15 feet away. You could pretty much see exactly where the PPF was. That's completely, literally just lumps of it coming off. The more I rub it, the more of it's coming off and going down the back of my fingernails. And this is literally, look at this. That's crazy. Well, there you go. There you go. Should we do one more super close and just actually just blow a hole in it? Let's just do that. Well, it's definitely going to be nice and drafty. Flipping heck, man, look at that. That's mental. But even there, like I literally got it right on the line of the, oh, slightly to the left if you're going to argue that actually. But like this, there's literally not a speck of paint on it, and even here there's bits of paint here. But for, yeah, I mean the last one's probably not a very scientific test, but let's do the big reveal. Try and hold my foot on it so that you literally, there's bits of, so there's literally, I don't know if you can see this, in the back of here there's literally loads and loads of little pellets that have actually gone through the PPF but then kind of stuck into the PPF. And then look at that. Well, that's pretty obvious, isn't it? That's no PPF, that's PPF. I mean, and even that, I literally haven't touched that. So if you got some, I'm just literally doing that one with my finger. Look, I'll lick my finger. So if you got a bit of some of that, it's actually like the glue from the PPF. Look, that's nearly gone. Excuse the dirt and stuff that's on here. That's crazy. So this side's actually like dented as well, and this side is literally like surface marks in the paint. There you go. Let's come around the other side. Look, look at the crater it's left in the door. That's hilarious. There's my block of wood set up. So no pellets have actually come through. You can see a little bit in there, the dents and stuff from the non-PPF side. That's pretty incredible. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that little scientific experiment. Massive thanks to Topaz for giving me their, like, it was quite a big bit of PPF, to be fair. It's probably about 100 quid's worth, 200 quid's worth once you put it on a car. So big thanks to Topaz for giving me that bit of PPF. Hopefully they're watching this video and they're interested in seeing the results. Would I recommend you getting your car PPF'd so that you can shoot it with a shotgun? No, but obviously it definitely shows that PPF really does protect against stone chips, damage. Like I said, that other car had literally been driven into a curb. PPF took like 95% of the damage. It's incredible. As always, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, watch my other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. And most importantly, don't try this at home. Look, I'm in a farm in the middle of nowhere, no one around. Don't do it, kids. And stay in school. Don't do drugs. Hey, shush.